Welcome to my How to Safely Replace a Rotting Wooden Shed Floor Using an Oscillating Multi-Tool C to Z presentation. This shed is about 10 years old and the floor has rotted out to form holes in some areas. There are several holes circled in red in the picture where my wife or I have fallen through the floor. This is quite a safety hazard. And speaking of safety, remember, safety first. The personal safety equipment required for this work is a hard hat, safety glasses, dust mask, and earplugs. Other extremely useful equipment are a crowbar, hammer, and oscillating cutting tool. As I removed stuff from the shed, when I removed the shelves and the stored items at the back of the shed, I found that a heavy box of roofing nails had collapsed the back corner completely. Now, these existing shelves had been screwed together, and I wanted to reinstall them in the same way. So, I numbered the ends of the pieces so that I could reassemble them in the same configuration. A few of the square drive screw heads that held the shelves together had been stripped, so I could not back out some of those screws. But by using the oscillating multi-tool with a metal cutting blade, I was able to cut through those screws and disassemble the shelves. Using the oscillating multi-tool, I started cutting out some sections of the floor. When I realized it would be useful to have some large sections of the old flooring to walk on during the installation of the new floor, I started in the back corner and freed up some large sheets of the old flooring. Overall, the tool left a pretty clean edge to work with. In the end, I had 3 large sections of the old flooring to move around to support the new flooring installation. I had purchased this Bauer oscillating multi-tool from Harbor Freight. At 3.5 pounds, I found it to be a solid tool, if a bit heavy for my old and weak hands to use without taking a few breaks. And now, finally, at long last, what you've all been waiting for, the wonderfully soothing sound of an oscillating tool at work. Wasn't that annoying? Lastly, I want to cover a few job-related bullet points. I do not recommend using a particle board and coating it with 3 coats of polyurethane as I did for the original floor installation. It only lasted about 10 years and was actually more labor-intensive. So, learning from my experiment, don't make the same mistake. Use treated plywood rated for wet contact for the shed floor, if you must use wood at all. In addition to the safety equipment listed, a pair of work gloves was necessary. And last, an oscillating cutting tool is definitely a worthwhile investment to assist in construction projects. I wish I had purchased it years ago. It would have come in quite handy. Thanks for listening.